Okay, so today we're going to talk about a technology that is an oldie but goodie, and that's MPLS. Many clients are steering all of our conversations towards SD-WAN the last several years. However, I recently have been working with a few customers that are still very much focused on their MPLS technology. And even moving forward, they're leveraging MPLS to connect to the cloud. So why is that? Well, first and foremost, MPLS is a proven technology. It's one that most carriers' networks ride over, even those that are presenting an SD-WAN product to you. Number two, MPLS has always been very malleable and fully meshed. So that means that IT providers are able to provide a single network that all nodes can jump on turnkey. You don't have to create static routes. You don't have to create new connections every time you want to add a site or, let's say, a cloud service provider. So MPLS, again, is easier to manage. It reduces the soft costs of growth, and it can kind of dynamically change with your environment. So let's take the example of cloud, which is driving a lot of the SD-WAN conversation. Don't forget, MPLS has always been excellent at connecting to cloud ecosystems. For example, AT&T has had a product for about a decade now called NetBond. It's very unique, and it was one of the first in the industry to allow customers to privately connect to service providers like AWS, Azure, Salesforce, and Microsoft. So how do they do that? Well, AT&T has a product that is able to connect to an MPLS environment of a customer's and then intersect with cloud infrastructure from, say, Equinix that accesses all of the CSP's native environments. So if you want to get to a data center or you want to get to a cloud service provider, in an MPLS environment, it simply looks like a new node on your network. And then with a product like NetBond, what's really cool is that once you have that port into the CSP ecosystem, you can add VLANs for each of the service providers that you're interested in. What's elegant about this solution is that it's all done logically through a portal. So MPLS is not only very secure and reliable, but it's also easy to manage, and it has the ability to connect to the cloud private. So don't discount MPLS as a possibility for all of your future networking requirements. Again, we still have very large customers that are focused on MPLS as their core network infrastructure and topology. We like to encourage clients to look at new technologies, especially SD-WAN, because it's very potent in what it can do. But we don't want to ignore what's been proven in the past to be very reliable. So what I'd ask you to do is contact us if you have questions around which technology is right for your organization. We have experienced consultants that can complete an entire network assessment and provide advisory services and design to help you get to that next step. If you're interested in the cloud, we also can help you to look at all of the different cloud ecosystems and what is the best way for you to get there from your environment, whether it's MPLS or SD-WAN. You can always direct message me on LinkedIn, or if you'd like, just leave a comment in the post below. Thanks and have a great day.